and love because of the work they do.
St. Anthony's High Secondary School Shillong, Klapen Loy ka Jingle Burami ki Lyngdoh ki Lyngdoh ki Blapen Dep ki Maumer ki Baar Posan, Arpundrio Bat San Posnam, ka Jingyat Lenti kum Kiruniam Solution. Kini ki Lyngdoh ki Lyngdoh ki Long Ifada John D. J. Kumar Ibarakhe ka Jubili San Posnam, Ifada George Rodiquest Ibarakhe ka Jubili Arpundrio Snam, but Ifada Jivan Lakra Ibarakhe ka Jubili ka Baar Posan Snam. Hakani ka singila sedang na kamas bakod hakabaki ni ki Lyngdoh ki Lyngdoh ki Long ki nong pen minta bakong sana ko Eucharist bakod. Haringkat ka jinga senran lang Ifada Paul Olingkot i Provincial ka Solution Shillong Province, Ifada Anthony Karkongor i Principal ka St. Anthony's High Secondary School, Ifada Anthony Walang i Vice Principal, ki sister ni ka jinga selok reunion baper bat ki wei ki fathers. Lapin Shongkun ya kamas bakod da ka jingruai ni ku choir jong ka school. Hadian kamas bakhot lapen bod ki program baper ni kena jongkani ke skul. Ki blapen ki sap ki pong baper. Ki blapen shongshit shu yakani ke sngi. Layashim bentah hakani ke jingi le buram kini ki langut ki Lyngdoh ki kena skul ka St Anthony's High Secondary School ki nong hikai ki nong treka skul ki nong shakhot ngobha. Lapen ko buram ni ifada provincial da ka skul. Layo ay ka jingkran pediang buram ni ifada Anthony Karkongor. Lapen ko buram kini ki langut ki Lyngdoh di ifada provincial. Balayo ro ay ka jingkran lingkot ni kini ki langut ki Lyngdoh ki Jingrakhe ki Jubili jongki.
Congratulations to you, okay? Congratulations to you. Ready? So here we go with the 50s and the 25 years of service. Congratulations. La, la, la. Congratulations. La, la, la. Congratulations. La, la, la. We wish you congratulations. May God bless you. La, 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 la. God bless you. Let's clap till 50 more. 1, 2, 3, and service to God and fellow brethren. Our gratitude and God's blessing to you, your Reverend Father John D. Jingrakhe. Celebrating 25 years of the priesthood and service to God and fellow brethren, our gratitude and God's blessing to you, Reverend Father George Robbins. Years of your priesthood and service to God and fellow brethren, our gratitude and God's blessing to you, Reverend Father Jingrakhe. He's still ready. We have thanked God. Now we have to thank our people who have so many. Not one lifetime will be enough. But I'm not frightening you. I'll try to keep it short and sweet as a donkey's tail. Tail, not T-A-I-L, T-A-L-E. I met Father Kasaroti. He was our last Italian provincial. He was down in Mumbai. He was also provincial there and was retired by the time I met him. I asked him, Father, what do you miss of the Northeast? Many things, he says. But above all, the music, the song that I miss most. He used to come up here and the Moscow kids used to put up quite a good show of singing. He loved counting colors in the rainbow. That was his favorite one.
I thank God for that. I thank God for that because of His. Today, I'm still here, celebrating December Jubilee, laughing with you, laughing at life, the way people have thought of it. And for me, this is ultimately to end it up. Since you are people of music, I'll just sing a few lines to you. I hope this won't be too long. Okay? It's one of my favorite songs, and I love this so much because it does mean a lot to me. Some people play the guitar a bit, but there's no number again. If I make mistakes and I crack in between, don't worry, alright? How sweet the sound that said a rat like me. I once was lost, but now am found. Was blind, but now I see.
Please don't go far. Please stay. We need more of your jovial enthusiasm. You galvanized the crowd into action. They were laughing without making noises. There was only mirth in the response. Thank you so very much for being with us. Please do visit us more often. Thank you.
Good afternoon to all of you. I think we are getting late and I'm sure nobody is interested in speeches and listening to words, but interested thinking about their stomach. So I'll be short. First of all, I would like to thank Father Principal, Vice Principal in the school, all these few students for putting up this Jubilee celebration to pray for us and to thank God for maybe giving us this persevering life in the vineyard of the Lord. And I was born in a very, very remote place in old Madhya Pradesh, present Chhattisgarh, and I started going to the school not because I was interested in studies, but we are getting milk and sugar. So that is the reason that I went to the school. And at a very early age, I came to Assam when my daddy was working, and then I went to Maligaon, then we Nubran with Father John, and introduce Vichoniarate and proceed on. And this is how I began my Salesian life. I escaped from the school to maybe afraid of failures or afraid of teachers, and I was very much frightened of mathematics, and I was afraid to go to school. That's one of the things. But in spite of coming from this insignificant village, you can say God chose me. Maybe just to do what simple things that I do. And maybe nothing much to give you, but maybe today's saint that we celebrate, Saint Dominic Savio, a teenage saint, maybe we need to learn something from him. At a very early age, he joined at the age of 12 at Don Bosco's oratory, and he pursued his studies to be priesthood, but he could not complete. But even in the short span of life, he made a resolution. One of the resolutions that he made was to go for frequent sacrament confession, to receive communion as often as his confession would allow, and to make Sundays and feast days special. And he said, Jesus and Mary shall be my friend. And that rather than, these are some of the resolutions that he took as a young boy. Maybe as youngsters, as students, as teenagers, we need to learn from this young saint of how determined, how committed he was. He is called a boy with a will. When we, maybe for you, all the teachers and students, we are invited to be persons with a strong will so that we can succeed and persevere in doing what we are expected to do. This is a thought I would like to leave you from today's saint that we celebrate, Saint Dominic Savio, to be committed, to be persevering, and to be dedicated. Thank you. God bless us all.
Didn't even have a formal ceremony, but a momentous one. I remember seeing you in one of our programs over here, and I'm very sorry, I didn't even know who you were. But we stand corrected. We are blessed indeed to have you in our midst. May you continue with good health and continue to be with us. Thank you.
Habapan ko dia ka program layo ay kikintin ku play ni Father Anthony Wa lang, bada ka anthem jo ka school blay alam de ki kenna jong ka ni ka school.